problem. Please carefully listen to this. There is a concept of reaction time which I told you just now. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, try to put yourself in the situation. Then you will know. This is a very, very important problem. That's why I'm telling very slowly. This is the truck or the car, whatever. Okay. It is
Yes,
traveling
sir.
with some velocity u, with an acceleration a. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you saw the signal post or red signal. Huh? You
Yes,
saw the signal means you have seen there is a signal. Now I have to apply the brakes. You decided. Is it understood? So
yes,
after
sir.
you decided, then only you'll apply the brakes. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Now the situation
Yes, sir.
is has to be understood very clearly. You saw the signal and then your brain decided that I have to apply the brakes. So that time gap within which this all decision making took place is only called as reaction time. Is it understood, both of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In this time gap, when you apply before applying the brakes, all this situation happened. No, all this thing happened. What your brain
Yes,
has to understand? Yeah, there is a red signal. Now now I will apply the brakes, and you really apply the brakes. And after applying the brakes, only this acceleration situation will come into existence. Is it
yes, sir.
understood? This
Yes, sir.
acceleration, which is called as retardation, will not really come into existence. Understood? There will not
Yes,
be
sir.
any acceleration at all. If you read the question, that's why I gave you some time to think about the question. But you are not thinking at the time. See, it is going with a uniform velocity. What is the uniform velocity? 72 kmph, which is converted as 5 by 18. If you multiply with that, what would you get?
20, sir.
Which we got, yes, 20. That will convert as 20 meters per second. This is the uniform velocity. This is the uniform
Yes,
velocity with which it is traveling. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now what happened?
Yes, sir.
Suddenly you applied the brakes. Means with this velocity from here to here, see, here to somewhere here. So I'm putting them as dotted. Dotted means understood? It has
Yes,
traveled
sir.
some distance. Okay. So from here to here, what is this here to here? That distance is the reaction distance or just before applying the brakes. Understood? Just before
Yes, sir.
applying the brake, it has
Yes.
traveled with a constant velocity. No, that
Yes, sir.
that distance would be how much? Vt, is it or ut? Ut, is it or not? Understood? That ut will be how much? 20t, is it or not? Is it clear to both of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It was at a distance of 30 when it was at 30 meters from the person. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the driver, this is the red post. From the red post he is at 30 meters. Now he decided, yes, I have to apply the brakes. When he decided to apply the brakes, it is not a momentary instantaneous situation. No, your leg has to go to the brake and the brake has to be pressed. The brake will go and it will apply the braking situation or braking force to your wheels, and the wheels will undergo a deceleration. Is it or not?
Yes,
For
sir.
all this to happen, before all this to happen, it would have taken time t. No, this time t is only called reaction time of that person. Did you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
In
Yes,
that
sir.
Yes.
reaction time, you travel with uniform velocity. Okay, or this is the
Yes, sir.
time before which the brakes actually start working. Is it clear? Reaction time, another
Yes,
definition of reaction time I'm telling you. This is the time before which the brakes of a vehicle actually start working, or this is the time for the brakes to actually work. That means
yes, sir.
you must be knowing about these what is it called, a pulsar is a bike which has disc brakes. When you apply the disc brake, what happens? Within microseconds, within not microseconds, I am sure within 1 or 2 seconds it will stop. Why 1 or 2 seconds it is taking? Why it's not stopping at the same time? That 1 or 2 seconds is it the reaction time of that vehicle's brakes. Did you understand? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, at that time when the brake started acting, that is the time when deceleration or retardation actually started working. Till then, it is only uniform velocity. Is it understood? From here to here, uniform speed. From here,
So when the acceleration decreases, so it becomes negative, no, sir?
that's why it became minus.
Okay, sir.
Acceleration decrease, you should not say velocity decrease. Acceleration is a constant thing. Here it's a decelerating force. Understood? So now what is the distance between the truck and the person? It is not 30, no? It is 30 minus this distance. Understood? Why 30 minus this distance? Because from here to here he has traveled a constant velocity towards the person. Is it or not? Towards the person, it has traveled this distance here to here. So this should be subtracted from 30. Then only acceleration thing will start acting on him, on that truck. Understood? Retardation, which is the retardation. Is it understood, both of you? This concept understood? Finally, the final velocity will become 0. Now apply the third equation of motion, which is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. S is what? What is S? 30 minus 20t. V square is 0 square minus u square is how much? 20 square, obviously. 20 square is equal to 2 with a minus. A we don't know. S we know. How much is S? 30 minus 20t. Is this equation understood by both of you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then cut this negative on both sides. Now we have to get the acceleration as a thing, as a number or equation. What is this? 20 into 20 is 400 divided by whatever this is. How much is that? 2. You can cut that by 2 also. Ones are 200 divided by 30 minus 20. Okay? Understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
This is the acceleration. Okay? This is an equation for acceleration. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, this situation of acceleration which we got right now is for the first situation. Understood? The same
Yes,
way
sir.
we have to derive another equation for acceleration using the second situation. Understood? Both
Yes,
we
sir.
have to equate. Then we will get the reaction time. That's it. Understood? This is
Yes,
the
Yes, sir.
equation number A for acceleration in terms of time t using the first situation. Okay? Now I will
Okay.
do the second situation. Okay? Are you copying situation? Now we are going to use the second situation and find another equation. In the second situation, the truck is going with initial velocity u2 10 meters per second. It has gone up till some distance. It was at a distance from the lamp post. How much distance it was at?
Sir, it was at 10 meters, sir.
10 meters. Okay. Now what happened? Again the same situation. It has applied the brakes. So before actually the brakes start working, it would have traveled a distance. After that only acceleration will become retardation. Is it or not?
Yes,
Just
sir.
after that. So it would have traveled some distance. What would be the distance from the earlier? Can you tell me? That would be 10t. Is it or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
10t.
10 sir.
So this distance would be how much? The distance will be 10 minus 10t. Is it or not? This is your
Yes, sir. Yes,
S2. This is your S2. Understood? And acceleration is
yes,
anyway
sir.
acceleration, which is minus a. Time is again the same thing. T. U is the same thing. 10. V is equal to 0. This S2, what I'm saying, is called as stopping distance or distance before it just stops. Stopping distance. That is the word to it. Just before stopping, how much distance it actually covers. It's called stopping distance. And this is anyway acceleration or retardation. Now we are going to use
Sir,
this data.
20 is means reaction time, no, sir?
Same thing
Yes, sir.
of the person. In the second situation data we are going to use now. What is the second situation data? V square is 0 square minus u square. What is the u square here? 10 square. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
10 square is equal to minus 2a into S2. What is S2? This is S2. How much is that? 10 minus 10t. Is it understood? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
From this also you'll get another expression for acceleration. What would that be? Minus minus cancel anyways. So you won't get any minus. 10 tens are 100 divided by 2 into 10 minus 10t. So what would that be? 5
50, sir.
divided by, sorry, 10 minus 10t.
50, sir. 50, sir.
10 minus 10t.
Sir, it's not 5, sir. It's 50 by 10 minus 10t, sir.
Yeah, sorry, 50 by 10 minus 10t. This is your second equation for acceleration. Now you have to equate both of these equations and get the reaction time. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let us solve that. Equating, what else? What is the first expression of acceleration?
200 by 30 minus 20t, sir.
200 by 30 minus
20t, sir.
20t. That is the first equation. And
U1,
what is the second
sir.
equation? 50
Sir, second equation is 50 by 10 minus 10t, sir.
These both, if you equate, you will get time t. We don't need acceleration. We only want retardation. We only want time, reaction time. We can solve this, no? 51s are, and this is 4. Can cross
Yes, sir.
multiply 4 into 10 minus 10t. That side, 30 minus 20t. Rest
We
all is
will get
algebra.
reaction time, sir. Equating this both.
Huh?
Equating this both.
What would you get? You can take 10 out of this first equation. 4 into 10 can be taken out. So 1 minus t will be there here. This side also 10 you can take out.
Common, sir.
Minus 2t. 10 can be cancelled on both sides. What else? It will be 4 minus 4t is equal to 3 minus 2t. Put all t's
Huh?
on one side and numbers on one side. 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 2t plus 4t. How much is this? 1 is equal to 2.
You can.
What is t?
1 is equal to, sir, 2t, sir. T is equal to 1 by 2, sir.
What is that answer? 0.5. 0.5 what?
0.5 seconds, sir.
Is that clear?
Is reaction
Yes,
time.
sir.
This is the reaction time. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the reaction time.
Yes, sir.
And that's not the end of the question. This is not what he wants. He doesn't want this reaction time. He wants to find out the stopping distance. He wants to find out the stopping distance. This is
Yes,
not
sir.
reaction time. He wants to find out the stopping distance in the third situation. Read the question. He wants to find out the stopping distance in the third situation. So what we should do? We should use this data in the third situation to find the stopping distance. Assume, he's asking that only. Assume what is it? When does it stop? He's asking. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I rub this all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what we should do is, we should be able to find the stopping distance in the third situation. Let us go to the third situation. In the third situation, what is the velocity with which the truck is traveling now? 54, is it?
Sir,
54
yes, sir.
km.
54,
Oh, 50.
sir. By 54, we will get 50 meters per second, sir.
Yes, we'll convert that 5 by 18. 18 ones are
15, sir.
it will become 15 meters per second. And of course, we know V is 0. Is it or not? We know all this data. We do not know the acceleration yet. We do not know the actual acceleration yet. We can find the acceleration also. Is it or not? The retardation, we have not found out the retardation. From the
Yes, sir.
earlier data, we found out the reaction time we found out. What is the reaction time? Half a second. We found
Yes,
this.
sir.
We have not found the acceleration. Is it or not? That also
Yes,
we have
sir.
to
Yes,
find
sir.
now. We do not know the acceleration. We can find it by any of the equation. First equation or the second equation. Simply you have to substitute the time t in any one of the equation, you will get the acceleration. So please tell me any one equation. The first equation I'm writing. 200 by, what was there?
200 by 3 minus 20t, sir.
This was the thing, right? The second equation. First
Yes,
equation.
sir.
First equation.
First equation is 200, sir. Second equation is 50, sir. 50 by 10 minus 20, sir.
Here is 30 minus 20t.
Yes, sir.
So 200 by 30 minus 20 into what is t? Half.
Sir, half, sir. 0.5, sir.
Cut. So what would that be? 200 by 30 minus 10. That would be 20.
Yes, sir.
Is it or not? This is 20.
Yes, sir.
21s are
Yes,
and 20
10, sir.
are. So we got the retardation. What is the retardation? This 10 meters per second square. And you should put it as negative. You have to substitute a negative
Yes,
there.
sir.
Of course, it
Yes,
was
sir.
earlier also there was a negative. While solving only
Yes,
this negative
sir.
is there. So we got the retardation. We got the retardation, or which is the acceleration. We got the v. We got the u. We can find out the s3. Is it or not? What is
Yes, sir.
s3? Which formula will work
Yes, sir.
out? Work for us. v3 square minus u3 square is equal to minus 2a s3. Is it or not?
Sir, displacement means the stopping distance, sir.
Stopping distance for second situation. That is what is asked in the
Okay.
question.
Yes, sir.
u3 is v3 square is 0. u3 is how much? 15 square is equal to minus 2a 2 into 10 into s3. We don't know. Sub minus gone. So we will get the s3.
Yes,
What
sir.
is s3? No. 15 15s are 225 divided by 2 into 10.
Yes, sir.
Whatever that is the answer. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How much is this? 225 divided by
25 by 40, sir. No, sir. No, sir. 25.
45, sir.
225 by 10, sir, means 22.5, sir.
How can it be 22.5? It's by 20.
Okay, sir. It's 20, no, sir. Sorry, sir.
22.5 divided by 2. 11 point something you will get. You'll get 11 point something.
Yes, sir.
That you have to subtract from the total distance.
11.2, sir.
How much?
11.2. It's still
11.25,
going,
sir.
sir.
2 meters.
11.25, sir.
0.25.
Yes, sir.
This is what you got.
Yes,
But
sir.
see, what is this S3 by the way? What is this S3? This S3 is the stopping distance.
Yes, sir. Stopping distance in the third situation, sir.
But find the distance over which, in the question what is asking, find the distance over which he can stop the car if he were running at a speed of that whatever he said. Means what we got here should be subtracted from 30.
I did not understand this.
It was traveling with a velocity 15 meter per second. Then after the reaction time of the driver, it would have traveled a 15t distance. Then acceleration becomes retardation minus a. Then slowly it will stop at v3 is equal to 0. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So just before the brakes have been actually applied, no problem. Just before the brakes have been actually applied, it would have traveled some constant distance, right? That constant distance is 15t. It was at a distance x. So the total x minus 15t is the react. This is stopping distance, is it or not? This is S3.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now
But I
you
did
have
not
to apply this
understand
in the
this
formula.
question, sir.
Instead of stopping distance, you have to write x minus 15t. Is it understood?
Yes, sir. But I
Subtract.
have one doubt in the question, sir.
Oh. Of t, no? Half.
Yes, sir.
Is it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Substitute, you will get the answer. 15 15s are 225. With a minus, obviously that will get cancelled. Minus 2. What is the acceleration? What is the value of acceleration? Retardation.
Sir, retardation is x minus 15t, sir.
Huh? You found out the acceleration, no? You solve this, what you're going to get is the x value you will get. And that will be direct answer you will get. 18.75 meters. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. You have
Number
not.
9 we are doing now. It's an important question. Remaining problems you try at homework. Question number 9. What is given there? A car starting from rest means what? Initial velocity is 0. Starting from rest. Accelerates at a rate f through a distance s. Accelerates means what? Acceleration is equals to f is given to us. Through a distance s. Distance s. Then continues at a constant speed. Now what happens? Try to understand this as a graph. Initially it is at rest. Okay. Then what happens? Accelerates. This is distance. This is time on x-axis. Velocity on the y-axis. Accelerates. There is an acceleration. So if there is an acceleration, what happens? Velocity increases. Okay. Velocity is increasing with time.
Yes,
Velocity is increasing because there is an acceleration. Then through a distance s, then continues at a constant speed. Continues a constant speed for a time t. So for a time t. From here to where the time is t time. Constant speed means what? Constant speed is a straight line, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
It's a straight line. Constant speed. V is constant. Some constant speed which we don't know. For a time t. And then decelerates. Then again decelerates. What is the meaning of decelerate? Velocity decreases.
Negative acceleration.
Negative acceleration. So velocity decreases, is it or not? Decelerates at a rate of. So here retardation is how much? Minus f by 2 or f by 2. You can say that. Okay, here acceleration is how much? F. Here this is acceleration, this is retardation. And comes to rest. What is this? V3 is equal to 0. Understood? If the total distance traveled or traversed, he is saying. This is another word actually. Traversed and traveled is one and the same. Okay. Total distance. Total distance is how much? 15s. 15 into s. That is given. Then what is the relation? That's what he's asking. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Let us see what